everyone, I'm Vaishnavi Jaiswal from class 7th and today we are going to learn the plural form of adjectives in the French. So let's get started with the screen share and see what's inside. So today we are going to learn about this topic, the plural form of adjectives. So let's get started. The big idea of this video is to learn le pluriel des adjectives, and after that we'll learn the mot chapeau song today itself. So let's start. We have done introduction, nationalities, and we have also done the agreement of adjectives in making an adjective feminine. So today we are going to start with the accord the adjectives, agreement of adjectives, making an adjective plural. To make an adjective plural, we have to follow some cases. For example, in most of the cases, for example, if we take a English word, like I take a word beautiful. So in English, what we do, if you want to make an adjective, like in English grammar, we don't make adjectives plural, right? For example, this girl is beautiful. So if we say these girls are beautiful, so we use pronouns, we make pronouns plural in place of, not to make adjectives plural in English, but in French grammar we have the different case, we make the adjective plural but not the pronoun. So let's see what's in the first point. So in most of the cases, an adjective is made plural by adding simply s to its singular form. For example, we have grand. Grand means big. So what we have to do with that word? We have to add a s to it, and then we are going to see the magic of making it plural. And then it will convert to grands. In the same way, we have large. So we'll add s to it and it will make large. And if we want to actually convert the plural into singular, we follow the same rule, but the pronunciation, or we can say not the pronunciation, but the definition is actually changed. For example, if we want to convert the plural into singular, what we do is that we make an adjective singular by removing s from its the plural form, and then we can make it singular. In the same way, we have the singular words like hoot, jolly, noir. These are adjectives and they are placed in plural forms by adding s to them. So, what we see in this agreement of adjective is that we simply add an s to the adjective we are using. Now, if we see another type of rule, which is if an adjective is ending with s, means gross. For example, we have gross. So, gross is a masculine singular form and there will be no change when we are making it in plural form. Let's see the another example. For example, there is ipas. So, ipas will be written same in the singular form and same in the plural form too. Means ipas is same over here and same over here too. In the same way, we have Greece, and Greece is same in the plural, Greece, and in the same in the singular too. Let's see the next slide, which tells us about that if an adjective is ending with eau, we are talking about an adjective. We are not talking about the things like cake. In French, we say cake as gâteau. It also ends with eau, but we can see the rule is different because it's not an adjective, right? So an adjective ending with eau in the singular form is made plural by adding a x to it. For example, we have verb. So Ber means handsome, and when we add x to it, it will make handsomes, means birds. Then we have nouveau. When nouveau means new, and then we'll add x to it, it will make news. But actually, in English, we not pronounce it as news. It will be something else in French sense. So it's the French grammar. That's why it doesn't relate to English grammar. Let's see the last form, which tells us about the feminine plural of adjective is formed by adding an s to the feminine singular. Feminine singular we all know. For example, in the previous slides we have studied about the grand, belle, grease, and for example, let me just go to the previous slides. Yes, we have a lot of words like gross, basse, bonne, ancien. Like these words are actually ending with E, right? They are feminine singular words. So what to do with these words is that we have to add S to it, simply add S to it to make it plural. So you see that how plurals are very, we can say, easy in these types of areas when we are learning to make an adjective plural, and it is simply to add s. And in English grammar actually it's not actually difficult, but we have a lot of rules over there. And in this French we have a very simple formula, which is to add s or to add x at the ending when we have the plural, or we can say the when we have the singular form of word. And in the same way, when we want to convert it back into singular, we have to remove that s or remove that x from the word. So hope you have understood this concept. We are going to see some adjectives in our books. So let's open the page number 38, turn to it, and then we are going to learn about them. For example, we have Amazon. Amazon is a plural masculine name, right? And when we convert into singular masculine word, it will be Amazon. So we see that we actually remove the s from that word and the singular word is in front of us. In the same way, let's take an example of singular feminine word, which is not Amazon. I'm taking again. Let me take fourth. So fourth, if you want to convert it into a singular form, like fourths, if fourths is written, so when we convert it to singular form, we'll remove that s, and the word that will be left will be the singular form. So you see how simple these words are. And if I tell you the meaning of word, it is meaning of strong, and Amazon means funny or amusing. Now we are going to take a look over a song which is more chapeau. So I have not made this slide for that word, because I'm going to read from the book itself, as it's very easy poem and you can also open your books for this reference. So the first line is "Quand je maintenant chapeau gris, c'est pour aller sous la pluie." So in this we say "Quand je maintenant chapeau gris." When I have to wear my gris, gris we have a color, and then when we actually take that color on our head, we have that much expressions. For example, over here it is written la pluie. The pluie has its own meaning. So this poem, actually I want to explain you the meanings also. That's why I don't have these meanings right now. So I'm gonna explain this whole poem in the next class, and we are gonna meet in the next class itself. So we have this much session for today itself, and hope you have learned how to make an adjective plural. And all the best for your exams. And actually, I'm also not going to come for a few days till 6th August. So be prepared, as I'm not going to come at that point of time. This is my last video of today. Okay, so thank you everyone, and bye bye. Don't actually worry to watch these videos. You can watch this one too, and you can watch this one too. Thank you everyone, and bye bye.